Hello guys, welcome back. So in the previous part of this tutorial we already learned about what you mean by pass by reference in C programming. So in this part we are going to learn about what is the actual use of pass by reference in a C program. So we already learned that pass by value means we just pass a copy of the actual arguments, but in pass by reference we actually pass the memory address of that particular variables as arguments. So what is the actual need of a pass by reference? The actual advantage of pass by reference is that you can return multiple values at the same time from a function. So in general case it is not possible to return more than one value by a function at a time. But when you're using pass by reference, you can return more than one value at a time from a single function. So how can we do that? So here in this program I am going to demonstrate how a function can return more than one value at a time from by using pass by reference. So here I create a variable r. Also I create two variable area and perimeter. There are two floating point values, area and perimeter, and now ask the user to enter radius of a circle. So in this program I am going to find out the area and perimeter of a circle using pass by reference. So I use a single function to calculate the area and perimeter of a circle, and that function will return area and perimeter at the same time to the main method. That is, here I am going to demonstrate, and here I ask the user to enter radius for the circle. Enter radius of circle. Okay, so user enter the radius and I save the radius into variable r. So %d comma save into address of variable r. So here I am going to create a function that does not return anything void. Actually logically that function does not return anything, but it will return two more than one values at the same time. It will return the area and the perimeter of the circle. So I name the function as process. That function has three arguments: radius of the function and two pointers. First one is the area and second one is perimeter. Okay, this function has three arguments. First one is a normal integer variable called radius, and second one is a pointer that can hold the address of a float value, so float pointer area. Again, the last parameter is again a pointer that is also a float value, that is also capable of saving the address of a float value. So here I am going to call that function process, and I pass the radius of the circle. Also I am going to pass the address of the two variables, area and perimeter. Okay, so here I call that function and I pass three arguments. First one is the radius of the circle, and second one is the address of the variable float variable area, and third one is the address of the float variable perimeter. So here radius is got on this variable radius, and on this pointer area we got the memory location of variable area in main function, and on the final variable perimeter we got the address of the variable perimeter on the main function. Okay, so here I'm going to calculate the area of the circle. So to get the value of that particular pointer, to get the values of the values available in the address available in this pointer, you can use this area. Star area means it indicates the values available in the memory location. That means the value available in variable area. So I assign the value as the area of the circle is pi r squared, so 3.14 into radius. Here the radius is radius, variable radius, into radius. Okay, so now we got the area of the circle in this variable. Star area means it is the value available in variable area. And now I'm going to find the perimeter. So star perimeter equal to 2 pi r, so 2 into 3.14 into radius. Okay, so now this function returned two values at the same time. It returned, we calculate the area and perimeter of the function, because star area means it indicate the value of variable area. So we got the radius of the circle, area of the circle is available. Now the area of the circle is available in variable area, and perimeter of the circle is actually now available in variable perimeter. This is the actual usage of pass by reference in C program. You can return more than one values from a single function at a time. That is the main advantage of pass by reference in C programming. So now we can print out the area and perimeter. Printf area equal to %f, and it is area, and printf / perimeter equal to %f, and it is perimeter. Okay, so now we complete the coding. Now we can compile the program. What is that? Okay, there is a spelling mistake. It is perimeter. I compile it again. So now there is no errors are available. Now I am going to run the program. Enter the radius of the circle. I put 4 as radius. We got the area of the circle and perimeter of the circle here. Guys, this is the advantage of using pass by reference in C programming. Actually, biologically, this function does not return anything, but actually this function returns two values at a time. It is area and perimeter. This is the usage of pass by reference in C programming. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel for getting more video updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part.